So one of the big goals of using this personal networking assistant Notion template is this tool can help you to effectively manage all of the connections that you have in your network. So let's say that you have like 100, 200 people that you may want to get really connect with everyone in your network, but you have a lot of information about those connections. You have important conversations, important notes, important opportunities that you want to bring up again, or you want to keep to yourself, and also maybe some important notes that you want to bring up when a new conversation came up with each of the connections. But again, memories, your brain, your memories, our memories is not a really good place for storing information. So yeah, by this tool, personal networking assistant, it will help you to have one centralized page, a centralized place for you to store informations, important informations that you have for each of the connections, so that you can conveniently, effectively keep everyone in your network really close to you. So yeah, in the screen that we are seeing right now, we have several samples of connections in our network. We have 9 here, and also these 9 are categorized by each of the categorizations that we have. Like for example, yeah, we have in these 9 people, we have 4 entrepreneurs and 2 consultants, which is really good. And yeah, some of the values we also categorize by values. We see that 4 people are uh, can contribute to the network using their Notion skills and Python automation skills and so on. So yeah, we have these 9 as an example, but let's say that we want to add more, or maybe you want to add several, but let's say that we want to add one in this video. The thing that we can do in this homepage of Personal Networking Assistant, we have this button called Add New Profile. We can click it, and what you will see is a really simple form that you can fill in with the information of this particular connection that you want to add. So yeah, let's jump right into it, and let's add a new person in our connection. Let's say that, yeah, the guy's name is John Doe, a simple one. And last contact, this information will help you to maximize all of the features in personal networking assistant. So by filling in this information, this tool will help you to know when was the last one that you contacted this connection, and later on you can also have the features to remind you to connect with this particular connection in certain periodics, which is actually the next form that we will add. So last contact, let's say for example, the last time we contacted this John Doe guy is like last weekend. So let's add 12 January here. And weeks per contact, this is the one that I mentioned. So let's say that I want this guy is quite important. Maybe we can keep in touch with this guy every 2 weeks. So by that, we can add 2 here. So yeah, the unit is weeks. So let's say that you want to for 2 months means that 8 weeks, right? So if you want to keep contact with this guy every 2 months, then add 8. But yeah, in this one we want to add 2. And network level, so maybe this is a really good timing to introduce you to the framework. So this 550-100 framework for networking levels, which is a prioritization of each of the connections, is based on a really good framework introduced by Judy Robinett with 550-100 rules in her book, which has the same name, by the way. So it's a really good read. It's a really good book. Great framework. I really suggest and recommend you to read it for more information. But basically, this Notion template used that framework as a basis. So 5 means that it's 5 people that really close to you, the closest ones. And 50 is a little bit down to of the prioritization, so not as close as you may want compared to the 5, but it's still a really important connections that you may want. Maybe less frequent follow up compared to the 5, but still nonetheless is important connection. And the last category, again down to the prioritization, is 100 broad networks, maybe less important that the compared to the 50 or even for the 5, but still someone that you want to really close, you want to keep these 100 people close to you. Maybe acquaintance, the ones that maybe have a really potential opportunity for you, or maybe someone that you may want to keep close because you have something that really valuable to them and you want to give some values to them. So yeah, 5 the closest, 50 a little bit down priority, and 100 is the lower priority in our personal network, but you still want to manage them. So yeah, this John Doe, let's say that yeah, maybe key context will be nice. And ecosystem, it's you can say it's like industry, so we can sort it out or maybe categorize all of the connections that we have in our network by the industry that they are working in, so that we can know which ones that related to each other. Ecosystem, yeah, we know maybe John Doe is an academic, so yeah, we put academic here. But yeah, as the note says, you can select as many as you like. So let's say that he's an academic and also maybe he's entrepreneur. Yeah, we can do that. We can click it as well as an example. And affiliations is more specific. Maybe it's a company, organization, or institution that this particular person is active in. And also it's optional, like the ecosystem here. Let's say that consultant, yeah, he's a consultant. Or maybe later on, maybe you want to add a new affiliation or maybe add a new ecosystem. What you can do if you don't have anything, like for example, John Doe, this particular person is an academic. He's a lecturer in MIT, for example, but we don't have MIT currently in our affiliation list. What you can do is you can leave it blank right now, and then after you add this particular network, this particular connection to your network, you can add more into your affiliation, and we can add a new category during that moment. So for the moment, we know that he's also a consultant. We can add here, or maybe for example, for the sake of example, a really good example, we can just leave this blank. So we know that it's optional, and we will add it later. And values that they have. Okay, so this is the value part of the connection. What is it that they have that may be something that's really contribute to the network? So we know that he's really good with scholarship hunting experience. Well, he's a lecturer. Maybe he has some information about scholarship in MIT, which is really nice. And yeah, he's also working as an AI. He's really good. So we can add that. So this John Doe person has scholarship hunting experience and AI skills that contribute to the network. And values that I can help with. So again, it's a really value giving is not something that you only take, but it's also you give. So you want to have a two-way connection with valuable connection to each of the connections. So not only you are looking for values that they have for you, but you also need to find what is it that you have that may be something that this John Doe or any other connections can also get by connect with you. So values I can help with, let's say that I'm really good with Notion. Maybe John Doe is this guy can have valuable management skills that I have with Notion. Maybe I can provide that. And yeah, maybe that's it. Or maybe yeah, I maybe let's say that we are good with Python automation. Maybe we can provide something about Python automation to help his consultancy works more efficient. We can do that. And last one, optional. It's a birthday, so one other thing that you may want to have to fill in to maximize the feature of personal networking assistant, because this tool we will see this tool have a birthday reminder so that you can be in there and congratulate each of the connections in their most important day. So you can give a really good impression in their most important day in the year. So birthday, let's say, yeah, this John Doe is having a birthday in, yeah, let's say, I don't know, March. No, we cannot click it, but yeah, let's say it's, yeah, I think we need to go in here. I know that he has birthday in 13 March, but yeah, we can edit it out. He was born in 85, so yeah, we have a birthday here, and we will see this tool will help you to notify you when we are closing into the March 13. You can prepare some prepare some communication, or maybe some follow-up, congratulate this John Doe guy before his birthday, and we can maybe surprise him during his birthday. So it's a really good way to prepare some good impression to each of the connections. So yeah, after that, after everything, after we fill in everything, we can add new profile. Oh yeah, this one is optional, but yeah, it's mandatory right now, so let's put in here. Although it's optional, maybe it's something that a little bit left out in our template. We can fix it, but it's optional. But in this one, we can click consultant for the moment and add new profile, and it's submitting, and yeah, new profile added. So congratulations for expanding your network, like this one said, really good one. And let's see what we have here. Now we have a new page called Jondo, and we have network levels filled in, last contact filled in, relations about the values we already filled in, and we have some few details here. We see that most of it already being filled out. And affiliations, we remember that we want to add MIT as an affiliation and new category. What we can do is we click here, we click to the plus sign, and we can type MIT here, and yeah, you will see here there is a new button called new MIT in affiliation. We can click, and simple, we already now we have added MIT to Jondo's affiliation, which is really convenient. And yeah, we can close panel for the moment. All of the details are filled in, and we can click in this one, new profile, because we haven't seen some more details in the page. There you go. After we click it, we now have seen we seen some blank tables and conversation inbox that you can have. You can add in important conversations here, important notes about connection with Jondo, and some of the basic information that you want to fill in, because so that you can store and keep everything in the length of your hand. So yeah, let's say that you want to reach out to Jondo again, you know where to find him by his LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or maybe contact number, email. Whether Jondo have personal website, we can add that, and hobbies, interests, so that we can be really give an impression of being a thoughtful person, because we remember what is it that interests him, and we can get interested, we can get excited about that. And yeah, some a little bit optional, but about details about family, so that we can be again give an impression of becoming a very thoughtful person by getting excited of what is it that's really important to this Jondo guy. So yeah, help you to open opportunities to being a really good connection to this Jondo guy. And yeah, optionally you can add cover. What is it that you can do here? You can change cover here, and you can upload maybe the photo of Jondo, so you don't forget this guy. Or maybe you will see you have seen some of the things in the gallery where you have a lot of photos up there of your connections. You want to tidy things up, you want to maintain the tidiness of the gallery, you can add this. Or maybe yeah, you can maybe if you want to for this sake, you can just add here for the sake of example. And yeah, that's everything that you need to do to add a new profile. We can go back to the main page for the moment, and let's see. Yeah, there you go, we have Jondo in our network right now, which is a really cool addition to our network. And yeah, what is it that we can see again is, yeah, let's say that we want to see Jondo in our categorization page. So yeah, let's see, he's in the 50 key context, right? So let's see if he's there indeed. And yeah, right, you see that Jondo is already in our 50 key context, and you will also see some other connections that you have in this particular categorization, prioritization of 50 key contacts. And yeah, we can also see him in the entrepreneur page. Okay, it's still empty, we can click it. Yeah, there you go, we have Jondo here. And let's go back to the main page again. And yeah, what is it that we know again about him? We know that he's a consultant. We can click consultant page, and yeah, we do know he's here as well, and also with other connections. And values, we've seen John Doe has a really good AI skill. Yeah, we know that John Doe is here. A main page, and yeah, so using this pane, using this categorization, let's say that okay, I have a new connection. This is the scenario. So let's say that I have a really good potential connection that I want to add in the network, and I want to provide with this new network. Maybe we can refer someone who have like an AI skills and have a consultancy agency about AI. And yeah, let's say we want to refer to that potential network to give a really valuable information to this new person. We can just go to this homepage, and then we can just simply click okay, which ones in my network are the ones that have agents have AI skills. We have Oliver and we have John Doe. So we have now a really good filtering system where you can find in a single click which ones in your connection are the ones that have this skill. Or maybe another new person, we want to really really want to connect with this new person, and we want to also provide some information about maybe are there some people that have affiliation with MIT. We can just simply click in our connection in our network page here. We can click MIT, and we know, okay, in one click we know in our connection, in our network, we have John Doe who has affiliation with MIT. So that's a really good filtering, convenient single click filtering that we have. And what is it that we can provide again? Yeah, maybe the last one that I want to show, although actually not the last one. What is it that I want to show again is personal network page. We have seen this familiar interface, but one other thing that I want to add is profile by name. So let's say that you already have 100, 200 people in your connection, and yeah, it will be very easy if you have 100 pictures here and you want to find someone of your connection. If you have like 100 pictures in this gallery view, what is it that we provide is profile by name tab here. What is it that we can do is this particular tab sorted all of the connections that you have by alphabet. So it will be helpful for you to see which one's the one that we are looking for. And we also have a search feature here. So let's say, for example, okay, I have 200 connections. I want to click and open the page of John Doe so that I can add a new conversation or new information. We can simply just click John Doe here, and yeah, we have it John Doe here now. We can click it, and yeah, it's a really good convenient way to find someone's page in your network. And yeah, we can click to the main page, and yeah, maybe that's all for about the personal networking assistant, about the profile thing. And hopefully you have found that this feature of personal networking assistant to manage your connection in your network is really valuable and really useful. And I hope this also helps you to find out whether this Notion template is a really good tool for you or not. So yeah, I hope you find this video useful.